As I have been building the wheelhouse, I've used the bed of my truck as my workbench, which it has been working really good. But today I'm gonna build another workbench on sawhorses because I'm gonna have to use a miter saw, and I want something a little bit more stable with a little bit more space so I can run larger boards. So let me show what I'm gonna do. For the legs of the workbench, I'm gonna be using this Bora Workhorse XT sawhorses, which has a height adjustment. And the reason why I decided to go with this brand and this specific model is for the following. Let me first get one set up. So this horse has this latch to keep the legs from being deployed, and they are stowed here inside, so it's very, very compact. And I don't want to use a standard sawhorses that just fold like this and take a lot of space. This is super compact. I can put it on the shelf on the container, and this is it. This is all the space that they take. And the construction is all steel. There is no plastic, no, everything is just steel, so super solid. And the way to extend the legs is very simple, just pressing this lever and pulling the leg to the desired length, just like that. And these notches right here, they're to install 2x4s. But this design actually has something that I really like, and I'm going to show you next. So as you can see, the 2x4 is not sitting flush with this surface as many other sawhorses, and the reason why is because this is designed to put another piece of 2x4 on top, kind of like this. And this is actually, it can be made permanent using these holes to drill from the bottom and just keep this 2x4 always on, which is what I'm going to do. And I like this because setting the blade depth to 2 inches, I can cut any 2x, which is basically what I'm using the saw for, without ever hitting the sawhorse. And that is very good because I already hit a few sawhorses made of plastic, thankfully it was just plastic, and just cut them through. In this case, the cut will be on top of this material, which is sacrificial. When it's completely destroyed, throw it away, put a new one. See, this is what I'm talking about. I could hit the metal and destroy the blade, but not with this wood. There we go. Look at this. Look at this little workbench. I have set up the depth of the blade to the maximum. So if I want to cut this 2x, I have 2 inches, 3/4, and the deepest I can go with this blade is not even halfway into this sacrificial piece of wood, so never gonna hit the metal. Sturdy as it can be. I'm loving so far this setup. I have the miter saw station, pocket hole station, and plenty of space for the tools. So I originally bought the saw horses from Bora that cannot be adjusted in height, but I returned them because they were a little bit too low. This one can be adjusted up to 4 inches, and this is the perfect height for me to work. Otherwise would have been too low. So I can have the miter saw, pocket hole station, multiple tools. This is like a 4x4 workbench. So yeah, nothing like working with the right tools. I pretty much did the whole building in the bed of my truck. Now finishing all the trim with a proper workbench. Thank you for watching.